Welcome to the List Help videos. This video demonstrates the functions available in LISTmap's Drawing Tools toolbar to help you customize your LISTmap map. If you have not viewed it already, you may like to check out our How to Get Started Using LISTmap help video first to learn about the basic functions available in LISTmap. Click on the link in the top right of the screen to view that now. To draw on your map, hover over the Tools arrow and click on the Drawing Tools toolbar. You can use the buttons on the toolbar to add your own text labels, points, lines, areas, ellipses, and circles, as well as import or export your own spatial data. To add text, click on the Add Text Label tool, then click on the map at the location you'd like to place the label. A pop-up window will appear where you can specify the text you want to display in your text label. To add a point, click on the Add Point tool, then click on the place where you'd like your point. To add a line, click on the Add Line tool. Click once on the map to start drawing, click again to change direction, and double-click to end. You can use the same process to add an area or polygon to your map. Click on the Add Area tool. Click once on the map to start drawing. Click again to change direction, and double-click to end. You can add an ellipse in the same way. Click on the Add Ellipse tool. Click and drag to create the ellipse shape you want, and unclick to finish. To add a circle, click on the Add Circle tool. Click once to locate the center of your circle. A pop-up window will appear where you can input the radius of your circle in meters. Enter the radius and click OK. Now we will modify our markup features. Click on the Select Features tool, then click on the markup feature that you wish to change. The Format box will appear. For text, you can correct spelling mistakes, change the color, and adjust the text size of the label, and the feature can be moved around by clicking and dragging. For points, you can change the point size, adjust the transparency, or choose a different shape or color icon. You can also click on the green circle white plus icon to use the Add Point Location to Map function. This will add a new text label with the coordinate location of your point feature to your map. You can then edit this text label as you would any other text label feature in your map. For lines, you can change the line width or color and adjust the transparency. You can also click on the green circle white plus icon to use the Add Line Length to Map function. This will add a new label with the length of the line feature to your map. Again, you have the ability to edit this text label the same as any other text label feature in your map. Notice that when you select a line, orange circles appear where the line changes direction. These points are called nodes. You can move the individual nodes by clicking and dragging them. You can also add new nodes by clicking and dragging the transparent nodes that show at the midpoints of existing line segments. To remove unwanted nodes, hover your mouse cursor over a node so that the cursor icon changes to a four-way arrow, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Areas, ellipses, and circles can also be edited using the same processes already described. All markup features have the ability to be moved and, with the exception of points, rotated. To do this, select the desired feature you wish to move or rotate. To move a feature, click on the four-way green arrow and move the feature to the new desired location. To rotate a feature, click on the curved green arrow and move your mouse through the desired arc you wish to rotate the feature. If you want, you can select multiple features at once by holding the Shift key down while clicking and dragging a rectangle around the features you wish to change. You can also duplicate any markup feature in your map. Start by activating the Select Features tool. Then select the feature you want to copy by clicking on it. Then click on the Duplicate Selected Feature tool with the two grey squares and an arrow icon. Your new feature will appear on your map, offset a small distance up and right of the original. To delete any markup feature from your map, choose the Select Features tool, select the feature by clicking on it, and then click on the Delete Selected Feature tool, indicated by the black cross icon. Finally, if you ever have lost the ability to navigate around your map, then simply select the Pan tool under the hand icon to restore this functionality. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website. Or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.